Hello and welcome to i.made, the channel that only tells you that, well, I'm Matt, but I made a thing. Alright, this month I'm making a fume extractor. So normally I used to solder in my bedroom, but now that I've got this workspace, I've kind of started to solder out here. So I thought, what's better to save my lungs? So let's build that. So firstly here I'm just disassembling the light fixture I have. I already knew that both the fan and the LEDs both ran on 12 volts, and so it would just be a simple process of drilling in and connecting my fan to the positive and negative terminals of the light. And that's it. I got this controllable switch on. Can go anywhere I like, lights up my workpiece and blows the fumes away. Now there are some problems, and I definitely will make a version 2, but this is good in theory. The fan, probably not as strong as I would like. I would like to be able to pull the fumes away, but again it wasn't strong enough, and so I've resorted to just blowing them around. I would like to be able to pull them through a carbon filter that I also got. Another one, this print clogged halfway through, but so it's a little thin, it's a little flimsy. I can redo that. And this arm that from the light that I got for real cheap from a $2 shop, it's just a little too small. So in the future I'm definitely gonna make a bigger, better custom one from scratch. But for the sake that all this stuff was probably $5, like 30 cents in filament, got the fan for free. It was pretty much just the light and some, an afternoon. So, like, favorite, subscribe, do all that crap, but you don't really have to, because it's just fake junk that people tell you you're gonna do what you want to do anyway. And I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy.